What is up? What is up? What is up, guys? Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Good evening, everyone. So today, meron tayong dumating na package from SIP. So, ano siyang SIP? In-order natin to, I think, a week ago. So today, samahan nyo ako mag-unbox. Unbox natin to. So ito yung pinaka first upgrade natin kay Racing Sixties. So, alright. So, ang kanyang laman ay brochure ng SIP, papel. Ito yung in-order natin. Zelioni, the bar end, weighted, and of course, Zelioni na mirrors. So, buksan natin yung mirrors muna. So, may kasama siyang tornilyo. Comes with a screw. And we went on this kind of mirrors. The circle one. It's a blue tint as well. And then has a Zelioni in the back. So let's try to install this today or tonight. Hopefully we can do it. Here's the other pair. Check in, no damage, it's good. And then let's see the bar ends. So I guess we're using this bolt right here that goes into the bar end and sandwich the mirrors. Alright, so here's the bar end. It's heavy. It's pretty heavy. So make sure if you install this, you don't drop it. If you drop it, it's gonna get dinged up for sure. Yes, sir. So, yeah, this one, you take this off the cover, so you can put the bolt in over here. So I guess the mirror's gonna go over here. We're gonna take the sandwich out, so it can go like this. So there's a filler inside. We're gonna take it out and then put it like this. All right, let's try to install this. All right, guys, let's go. All right, let's try to install this. So first, let's take off the old side mirror. So just gonna pull the rubber out like this, and it's a 17. So let me just try to take it out, okay? Because we'll see. There you go. Then you turn it around. We're speaking in English today because somebody left a comment earlier that he wished that I speak English more on the videos. So let's try this one. It's gonna be, at least try it, you know. So let's take out the other one. Now we need to get something to cover this up, and hopefully Mike Bomack and Mr. Sharap Vlogs can pick one up tomorrow, because they're heading to California, and they're gonna try to go to Scooter West. So let's see. Oh, the other way. There you go. Just like that. So it looks more cleaner without the mirrors for sure. So damn, it's dirty. This is a T25 torque screw. So let's loosen it up. There you go. And then take off the bar ends. So when we got this, it already got this grip. Actually, I think it's a BMX grip by Vans. So take it out like that. Here's the original bar end. Oh, all right. Now we have to loosen this up to take off the sandwich. This one, just like that. All right. Then we'll get the bar end, and then it's gonna be like this, just like that. Then tighten this up. There you go. It's good for now. Okay. And then we bolt it up to the grip. Goes like this, just like that. So just keep tightening it up until it tightens, I guess. Oh, I can be a seaman. I can be a seaman. Because if you drop something in the ocean, no, it's not gonna move anywhere. Go. But this one we have to tighten it up more. There you go. Just have to tighten this up just a little bit so you can adjust the other one too. There you go. It's not supposed to be moving like that. Just tighten it up more until it doesn't move anymore. Yep, it's moving still. Anong mali? Wala namang iba. There you go. That's one side, guys. It looks better. Way better than the other one, the stock one. Alright, now it's tight. There. Alright, now let's do the other side. Still tight. You know, you guys, I know you like it tight too, so it's nice, right? You know, most of us like when it's tight, especially the bike. It feels tight. It feels good. You don't want it loose. Something is wrong if it's loose, right? Are you open-minded? All right, other one is out. Let's build the other mirror. So the thread is pretty long, so just keep tightening it up until it tights. Again, there's a lot of tights there, but it's okay. There you go. Now just tighten this part right here. Again, make sure it's even on the other side. This is tight, bro. Can't tighten up anymore. There. Okay, let's see if it's even. It's with the bands. Should be good. It looks okay, right? It looks even. I like it. You guys like it? Comment down below. Don't forget to put back these end caps from Zelioni. And make sure to double check it once in a while because it's just, what do you call that? A roscas. It's the roscas. So make sure you check it out once in a while. Make sure it's tight so it doesn't fall off. Roscas. Thread it in, right? So just thread it in like this, just like that. So just want to make sure it's even on the other side. All right, so here's the finished product. Pretty easy install. I'm just gonna ask my friends when they see it if it's even. So, but here's how it looks. Looks good, but I don't know. I haven't tried it yet. I need to try it on the road so you can see. You can see a lot. It covers a lot. So it looks sturdy. So hopefully it's one of those good buys, you know. As I consider the Rizoma, but it's just too expensive. This one should be good. All right. So that's the first upgrade for our Racing 60s. Just stay tuned for more. Hopefully we can get more upgrades. All right, guys. Until the next one, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.